So, the little spinny thing that measures our speed is messed up, so I'm gonna go see if I can fix it. So we're on our way to Highbourne Key right now. That's actually where we were last week, but they have a spot open in their marina for the next few days. So we're gonna take that and wait out this storm. We've got our main up and our jib out, and we're cruising at like 3 or 4 knots, so not very fast, but we've got a pretty short sail there, so it doesn't really matter. And it's looking like our boat speed measuring device is working again. Before this it was just reading 0, so this is a pretty good sign. Well, that was a little hectic, kind of a tight squeeze in here, but looks like we already have a visitor. And we are this close to our new neighbors. We spent a few days docked in Highbourne Key waiting for the storm to pass and getting a few boat tasks taken care of.
Yeah, the battery broke. Put a new one in, it's fixed.
Oh, let's try again.
One of our start batteries died. It's a few years old, so it wasn't unexpected. Able to find a new one in Nassau, and instead of sailing the 75 miles up there to get it, we had them put it on a mailboat, large motor catamaran that brought it down to us. Well, we can continue our adventures.
We decided to pick up a few things before we left, and guess how much this cost us? $99.87 was our total. Well, good morning. We are on the move again. I've actually got some lemon blueberry muffins in the oven, which is pretty exciting, but I was missing like 3 of the ingredients, and we don't have any muffin liners, so I cut parchment paper up into little squares and shoved them on in there. Also, our oven doesn't go up to a high enough temperature, so I have no idea how long it needs to bake for, so we're gonna see how it turns out. But we are underway right now. We have our main up and our jib out and our port engine on, giving our new start battery a nice charge. We're also making some water, which is great. We're cruising at about 6.5 to 7 knots, and there's a pretty big storm coming Monday night and Tuesday, so we're gonna head on down to Georgetown in hopes of finding some sort of protection from it. Okay, I might be biased, but I feel like these look phenomenal. Okay. Woohoo! Well, we changed our minds and we pulled into this little cove instead. We'll probably stay here tonight and then find our final spot to wait out the storm tomorrow.